I think we should get see? Told you it wasn't bad. It's done. Almost.
So what? Is there blood on my lip?
No. No.
Why would there blood on my lip?
This may bleed just a little bit.
Is there blood on my lip? That's her question.
If you do bleed a little, you get a little bit of a scab around it. No big deal. Just let it do what it's going to do. Later on tonight, you could do a hot water compress with just water and a paper towel and it'll...
Wow, is that so much quicker than mine?
Pretty. Pretty.
You're done, and it looks so good.
I'm so proud of you.
Can I honestly say something right now?
What?
That didn't hurt. No, like it really didn't hurt.
Oh, did you
Looks really good.
No, Gabby, I didn't feel anything.
Probably because I was squeezing your hand so hard.
That's so weird how it didn't hurt. Like a shot.
You didn't even like flinch.
I thought she was going to squeeze my hand harder. She didn't.
Oh, I see it. I'm so happy I did this.
I'm glad I could do it for you.
I don't understand why it didn't hurt.